Hello everyone, welcome back. Over the weekend, a viewer by the name of Alex McKay sent me a violin concerto that he wrote and requested me to sight read it. I didn't have much time during the weekend because I was teaching. Now that I have some time, I will be sight reading his violin concerto. The piece is not titled yet, but it looks like it's in A minor, so I'll just call it Violin Concerto in A minor for now. Now, before I jump into it, I have set up a online store that have all the arrangements that I myself did. So I have the Beethoven 7, Requiem, Lacrimosa, and Confutatis so far. Many more to come. So do check it out if you're interested in trying out the pieces. And I will post some walkthrough videos on some special techniques that are rarely used in common repertoire that might be confusing. So do check out the store if you're interested. Anyway, let's try to sight read Violin Concerto in A minor by Alex McKay. Let's go. There's no time signature, but I assume it's 4/4. Yeah, it's 4/4. Okay. Pretty epic opening. This is a cool pattern. It's a cool pattern so far. Alright, my sight reading is a little bit rusty because I haven't done it in the last few weeks. Okay. It's a half note equals 70, so quadrant is 140. Oh, couldn't figure out the fingering pattern. I'm sure there's a pattern, but I just winged it moving around. Oh, it looked not that complicated, but it's actually kind of confusing. I would need to practice to find the best fingering, but it's cool so far. Alright, we're moving into 3 sharps, A major. Okay, so now coming up is Cadenza. I'm getting confused by the key signature from before. There's no G flat. I'm gonna try Cadenza. I'm guessing this is the end of the cadenza. Oh, there's a B flat. Or this is the end of the cadenza. I don't know. Usually at the end, people put a tempo to mark the end of the free part. I don't know. But yeah, I guess this is the end of the cadenza because most cadenza ends with those trills. Okay, so before that, all these crazy arpeggios and runs are still cadenza. Okay, let me try the cadenza again. It's a very cool cadenza. I really like the harmony changes here. That sounds really good. It's a cool piece. I really like it. Okay, so cadenza. Orchestra. Okay, we're at the last part. What? Oh no. Oh, I thought I can go straight through this, but those 2 bars of double stops, these are I'm not familiar with this kind of pattern. Anyway, very cool concerto. The thirds at the beginning, very cool. I really like the epicness. I can feel it, and the cadenza is very cool. The middle part, I'm sure it's very beautiful, but I need to hear the orchestra part. This it reminds me of that piece. What is that? Is it Rondo Capriccioso? It reminded me of that. Anyway, thank you for sending me your violin concerto. I hope I didn't butcher it too much. I tried my best, but the double stops, especially at the end, oh, I fumbled that really hard. So there you go, Violin Concerto by Alex McKay. Thank you so much for sending me your violin concerto. It's very cool. I really like it. So have a good one. See you next time. Bye.